Double type, where two words fit nicely over top of each other and still remain legible, is a new trend moving into 2019. As hand lettering dominated 2018, 2019 will see hand lettering and computer typefaces combined together to make something magic. These double type presentations can say more using less space and give the designer an opportunity to have the design and the headline become one. The text and characters can weave in and out in a bid to elevate the type to a sophisticated layered look. And speaking of hand lettering, that trend is not going to go away, but only accelerate. This time it goes mainstream. That means that having some lettering skills and upping your typography theory and understanding will possibly lead to more agency and even mainstream client opportunities. Learning hand lettering can be as simple as taking a few classes here and there and following a few hand lettering gurus on Instagram for some daily inspiration. The Procreate app, which uses the iPad pencil, is a fantastic program to use to get started practicing hand lettering. The Wacom tablets are another cheaper solution that cost 1/4 the cost of an iPad and Apple Pencil, for those looking not to break the bank learning lettering and digitizing it. Finally, just a simple pencil and paper can be suitable for practicing hand lettering, as you can easily digitize most hand sketches by taking a simple photo with your phone and bringing it into Illustrator to trace with the pen tool. I'm here in the Procreate app attempting to try the double text look by bringing in static text I exported from Photoshop as a PNG, and now I'm creating a new layer in Procreate to create my hand lettering portion. Then I create a mask, just like Photoshop, and I remove certain portions to create that weaving in and out layered look. This is not my main skill set for sure as a designer, but continuing to add this to the skills I am learning expands my potential as a designer to take on a wider variety of projects. Another trend in typography is more illustrative lettering, where type characters can take on a much more detailed and full of life feel. Something that was practiced a lot in the mid-century design is the art of misalignment of typography. No longer should you feel bound by perfect alignment of lettering and phrases. Now is the time to experiment with varying types of character placements and flow. I hope you enjoyed this quick dive into some of my thoughts about upcoming design trends involving typography this year. I also hope you can start to explore some of these softwares and skill sets in hopes that you can expand as a designer who can take on anything in the future of design.